Hi everyone, welcome back to Titi's Garden. Today I'll show you how to grow yam. Do you know how it grows? And do you know it can grow right here in Canada? Watch as we go along. Yes, only one sprouted and it kept growing and growing and growing, as you can see. And now I transplanted it. It started off in this newspaper wrapped, and I transplanted into this bag just to give it more room to grow. When you're transplanting, just try as much as possible not to disturb the root. I know it's tubers and they don't like being transplanted. So it's time to transplant into its permanent home. I'll be using the sack. This is the normal rice sack, which is where I'm going to transplant, and that's where it's going to be. Now this is where the work is. How do I transplant this without disturbing the root? Just stay tuned. Let's see how it goes. And now we're in summer, and you can see the bag is outside. This is where it's gonna be now for the next 2 to 3 months. And stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you the second part, which is going to be the harvest. Let's keep our finger crossed and see what comes out of this. Thank you for watching. See you another time. Bye now.